up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnoticlaadyy, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I will show you guys how I got this look right here. Y'all, look at these baby hairs. Like, they're so cute, y'all. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned and see how I got this look right here, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, as you guys can see, I'm literally on the bullshit early, bright and early in this video, but not for real. Let's get into the video, y'all. This is Hairsmarket. This is their packaging. It did come with this little brochure, which has care and tip instructions. Y'all, I'm so sorry. A little black stocking cap, this little elastic band, of course, the black net, and the bag with the inches listed on the bottom. This is the 20-inch Brazilian loose deep wave. It did come with 13x4 parting. It did come with combs inside the cap, but I cut them all out, and it does come with adjustable straps in the back. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. Here I'm just showing you guys the amount of parting space you guys have. You have most of your parting space in the middle. As you guys can see, there isn't that much parting space on the sides, so I did have to finesse it a little bit, but yeah. Next, you want to take your alcohol or your witch hazel or whatever it is you're using to clean the perimeter of your forehead. I just go straight across, make sure I'm getting all my makeup, dirt, any type of debris off, like so. Next, I'm going to take my Ghost Bond Premium, and I am just going to do a thin layer starting in the middle and then working from left to right on my sides. You want to use your blow dryer in between. I use the blow dryer on a low cool and sometimes a low heat setting. I let the glue dry clear before I apply another layer, and I just did this 2 times. I didn't want a super firm hold for this install, so I believe, you know, 2 layers of the glue should be good enough for you. You can do as many as you want, but yeah. Once your glue is dry, you want to go ahead and lay your lace down on top of the glue. Here I'm just positioning everything, making sure it's laying right, and then I'm going to gently press it into the glue. This, to me, you know, helps me get my flawless foundation or my melted lace. Once you press gently, you can go in with your hot comb and a rat tail comb and a hair dryer, and you just want to kind of comb the lace into the glue like so, just so it all melts down. You make sure you can see everything, make sure everything's laying flat. Once you have that done, you want to go on with your scissors and your razor comb, or either or. You don't have to use scissors or a razor comb, whichever one you choose. And I'm going to go ahead and cut off my excess lace, and then we're going to get into the baby hairs. For my edges, I will be using the Got to Be Glued yellow bottle like I always do. This is my favorite gel to use for my baby hairs because it lays everything down flat and it stays all day. Like, them edges are not coming up until you rinse them off with water, sis. And that is what I need. You know, you need that wig secured, baby girl. But not for real. Yeah, as you guys see, you know, just put your, once you part out your hairline and you get a thin layer of your baby hairs, go ahead and cut them with a razor comb or some scissors and cut at an angle. Then use your gel or your foam mousse, whichever one you prefer. And yeah, girl, lay them edges like this. You already know. Next, I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Glued Free spray, and I'm going to set everything that I just laid with my hot comb. I went ahead and parted my hair in a middle part because I figured, you know, that's the style that I want to do. But yeah, take your Got to Be Glued Free spray, and I like to use this on my hairline after I've laid my baby hairs, just to make sure everything's laid down. You don't have no flyaways. Everything looks slick back, you know, stylish. How we trying to look? Styling and profiling, sis. But yeah, you want to continue that same technique on the other side with your baby hairs. Lay everything down and then hit it with the Got to Be Glued Free spray and then hit it with the hot comb. And then you'll get this flushed, flat, non-wiggish look, sis, because that's what we're going for. We're looking for scalpiana, not wiggiana. So, you know, lay that shit flat. Take your time. Don't rush because, honey, you don't want to be looking a hot mess. Nobody does. Lastly, I'm going to take my water bottle, and I have nothing in this water bottle but just water. And I'm just going to lightly wet and dampen my hair and then just do like some scrunching like motions just to give it more body. And that will complete the look, y'all. All right, guys, this is the finished look, y'all. You looking real scalpiana, sis. Real scalpiana. But yeah, y'all, I love this hair. I would rate this like a 7 or an 8 out of a 10 because I did not get no shedding or no tangling whatsoever. But this wig was a little bit on the thin side, and I think you guys can see that in the video. I do believe this wig was 130 density, so if you do order, I would get 150 density. But yeah, this is a finished look. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.